This tutorial review will show you how to change your display name on Roblox. Roblox now allows all users worldwide to change your Roblox account's display name in the account settings as a free feature. So first of all, open Roblox and log in into your account. Then click on this gear icon and go to settings. And here you will get your display name. So all you have to do is just click on edit next to your display name. And now from here you can easily change or edit your Roblox display name. Click on save. And your display name will be changed. What else should I know about display name changes? Your display name and username will be visible on Roblox and associated experiences. You can only change your display name one time every 7 days. Display names must follow Roblox community rules and terms of use or may be reset to your username. Other players may also have the same display name. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.